with organisms more resistant than the very old. Know that it's okay to question your physician when an antibiotic is prescribed. The overuse of antibiotics is increasing the development of drug-resistant germs. As the ABC News video suggests, antibiotic resistance is a fast-growing problem in the U.S. The overuse of antibiotics is contributing to the resistance of the problem. Antibiotics serve a purpose. The most important tool in fighting life-threatening bacterial infections are antibiotics. Antibiotics should only be taken as prescribed by your physician. You should never take antibiotics that belong to someone else. You should always complete your antibiotic therapy. Antibiotics are geared toward inhibiting the growth of bacteria. Bacteria that are inhibited by the antibiotics are known as susceptible. Bacteria that show no inhibition are known as resistant. Although antibiotics are important for fighting infection, not all illnesses require antibiotic therapy. Not all illnesses require antibiotic therapy. Antibiotics should only be given for bacterial infections. The appropriate antibiotic should be given for the bacterial infection. The appropriate antibiotic should be given for the infection. That was just redundant.